Charge anytime is not legit, and in this video I'm going to be giving you reasons why I feel charge anytime is not legit. So there are very many reasons. You can disagree with me, you can do anything. You can also give your own reasons why you think charge anytime is legit. For those who don't know charge anytime, this is a new app. This is a new website that is in the country and is giving people a lot of money. People are getting money from it, and the money they are getting from it is the one that is making them to call it legit. And you have seen very many YouTubers making videos calling it legit, and let them come out and make a face-to-face on camera video like this, the one I'm making, so that they can tell you straight into your eyes that it is legit. Charge anytime is not legit, and in this video I'm going to explain to you the reasons why I feel this thing is a scam. This thing, they are just stealing our fellow Ugandans. Ugandans, open your eyes, they are stealing your money. So charge anytime, why am I saying that it is legit? Let's jump into the video. The first thing, why am I saying that charge anytime is not legit? It's the definition itself. Charge anytime, they are telling themselves they are a Ugandan based online app that is providing source of energy to the country. So source of the energy, what they do, like they are giving devices that are helping people to charge their phones when their power is off. So these other Ugandans, what are they supposed to do? They are supposed to buy those devices and rent them to those who need them urgently. I think that kind of logic. So you may not understand that, but this is the point. That charge anytime, they are calling themselves charge anytime online, but in actual sense, for those who have tried opened accounts and tried to deposit money on charge anytime, when you deposit money, the message will not come that you have deposited to charge anytime. And when you are to receive any commission or any money from them, that message will not come that you have charged anytime. So that's why I'm saying the definition, like their name, we are starting from their name. Online here on their website, and the app is going to tell you that they are called charge anytime. But when you deposit money or you are withdrawing money from it, they are going to say that it is not charge anytime, but they have used a name that is called Bani Solutions SMC Limited. When you're using MTN, you'll see that name, Bani Solutions SMC Limited. So it means they have two names. They have charge anytime. They also have Bani SMC Limited. So it means if they have two names, that is the first thing that I'm calling unlegit. They are not legit. That's why I'm saying if they are legit, they are supposed to register in the country Uganda, because to get that SIM card that can send money to these people, you are supposed to have documents to register it. So they have not used their documents. It's not showing charge anytime. So it is showing Burning Solutions Limited. So whenever it will come time for complaint and you are going to complain on charge anytime, just not charge anytime is not there. You have not given your money to charge anytime, but the company you are supposed to sue or complain to is called Bani Solutions SMC Limited, if you have used MTN to deposit money to them. So that is my first thing. They have two names. Then my second thing is their location. So they are saying that they have headquarters in Uganda, but all those ones that are recommending charge anytime to you, all those who are telling you to come and participate in charge anytime, let them tell you where are they located, where are their headquarters. Because when you go to the app and you have to check about them, they will tell you that they are located in Uganda and they have headquarters in Uganda. But who has seen their headquarters in Uganda? If you have seen their headquarters, please comment in the comment section so that you can help very many people. You encourage them to go and get money from them. So it's like, it looks like a get quick rich scheme, but actually, my fellow Ugandans, you are being stolen. They are stealing your money and your money is going. So you just feel, there's a way you feel that it is legit because once you have put in your money, you are getting your money back. But this is a research that we started on this very channel. We are going to be exposing these people, and subscribe to this channel, share this video to all those who are recommending it to you, share this video to anyone who has get involved into it so that they can follow it. We are going to see even how these people are really, how do they make it. It is addictive that you find you are getting money, you'll be adding more money, investing in more money, and how long are they going to stay? So I'm going to my third point. My third point is charge anytime lied to its users. When you open the app, because I'm one of the people, I'm doing the research, I open the app, I place my money in it so that I do the research, so that I save my fellow Ugandans. When you open the app, you'll go about us, like how they explain. They are explaining themselves like a company. you'll find that they are telling you that they started in 2019. The truth is that these people did not start in 2019. I have very many proofs to prove to you that these people did not start in 2019. The first thing is the domain registration. For those who don't know the domain registration, their domain is www.chargeanytime.net. So you can check when was the name registered. If you check that, if you go and check when the name was registered, you'll find that it was registered 3 months back. It means it started in 2022. It did not start in 2019. They are saying they have been in business for 3 years, but actually they have not been in business for 3 years. They have been in only 3 months. So they should be transparent. If you have a transparent or a legit business, you say that I'm 1 week old in the business. Don't say that I'm years in business when you are just days in business. That's why I'm saying they are actually not legit. These people are just, I don't know how to call them, but if you started in 2019, why did you register your domain in that very year, and why are you using 2 names for registration? So I tried to get information about the second name, that is Bunny Solutions, where you are sending your money and receiving your money from. But as you know, the country Uganda, they have sealed the information. You cannot access. If you know, you are watching this video and you can access for me, when was this name Bunny Solution SMC Limited created, or when was the company registered in Uganda, and when was that very actual number that they are using to send that money. I'm going to put the number here on the screen so that you can see it. When was that number registered in Uganda, and when this started working in Uganda. Then the third thing that I want to present to you, my third reason, is that the customer care number they are using. When you check their WhatsApp number that they are using to explain to you how the app works and whatsoever, to help you if you have a problem with the app, that number, that code is not a Ugandan code. Actually, I have a friend of mine who did tech, and when I sent that number to him, he said this code is actually an Indonesian code. Indonesia. So Indonesian, they are like Indians who are, we have a lot of Indians in the country, and it means if they are the one controlling the whole of this app, it means we are in trouble. We are in trouble. Countrymen and women, you are in trouble. I am in trouble. A brother is in trouble. A sister is in trouble. Share this video to all the Ugandans, those who have joined and those who have not joined, so that they don't join this thing called Charge Anytime. Because I strongly believe that one day, one time, our fellow Ugandans are going to cry. Why? Because they are telling us, I'm now presenting my fourth reason why I think this thing is not legit. So when they are explaining to you, they are going to tell you that where do they get their money, the one they are paying you from. Now it is like this: you are going to buy a device, you are going to buy a product, and you rent that product out. Just think about it. You are going to buy a product and you rent it out, which would be a good business. But there is no product you are actually buying. When you put your 20,000 or 100 or 150 or 1.5, there is nothing you are going to receive like physical thing. All they are going to tell you that you put this amount of money and you're going to be getting this amount of money daily. Now, it is so exciting. Their offer is so exciting because, for example, when you put 60,000, you are getting 4,000 every day. You will calculate that in only 2 weeks you would have received your money, and the other 1 month and 2 weeks remaining, because they are going to give you 60 days to receive that money. So you'll be getting your profits. Let me tell you something. Even if you are to go for those 2 months while getting that money, after getting that money, you will think these people are legit, and you say, now what if I've got this amount of money? Maybe if I've got let's say I've got 600,000 when I had invested only 120. So what if I invest 1 million? What if I invest 3 millions? What if I invest 5 millions? All the countrymen and women are going to be continuing to invest their big sums of money. Some are going to sell their cars, some are going to sell their land, some are going to rent off their things, some are going to put all their money into this thing, because they are seeing it is going to addict you. You are going to have an addiction into your mind that, what if I put a big money? What if I put big money? Now this will have their own calculations. When they calculate and they see that what they want has reached, I'm promising you, I really don't know when it's going to come, but countrymen and women, you are likely to cry for your money. You are likely to cry because we really don't have a headquarter where we can go to and complain. And then another thing, there are 2 people you are dealing with. There is one who is promising you all that, which is Charge Anytime, and there is one whom you are sending your money to, whom you have not talked to. No one has got into contact with, Bani Solution SMC Limited. It is a company on its own, and then there is this one that is online that is called Charge Anytime. There are two people. One is promising you to be getting that money for 60 days or for 180 days or for how many days, and the other one is the one paying you. Once your money goes, whom are you going to complain to? Whom are you going to complain to? And if you are to file a case in the court, are you going to file Charge Anytime, or you are going to file Bani Solutions Limited, which is sending you money? Tell me. I'm the one of the people who joined, and I joined to do a research, and on this channel I'm going to bring for you all the full research. So what are you supposed to do? You are going to do about 3 things. First of all, like this video so that very many Ugandans get it, and then liking it, don't stop at liking it. Share the video with every Ugandan you know so that he gets informed. And then after sharing the video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button, because our research is continuing. And if Charge Anytime contacts me and they give me these 4 things I've given you. 1, I want them to locate a headquarter. Let them have a permanent location where we can physically see that these are the people whom we are getting our money to. The second thing, let them have one name. If it is Charge Anytime, let them call it Charge Anytime. If it is Bani Solutions SMC Limited, let them call it Bani Solutions SMC Limited. Let us not deal with 2 people. Let us deal with only 1 person. Then the third thing, let them change their customer care number, that WhatsApp number, into a Ugandan registered number, because they are saying that it is Uganda. They are dealing with Ugandans, and they are dealing with MTN Uganda, Airtel Uganda. So it means it is for Ugandans. If it is for Ugandans, then let them use everything to be for Ugandans. Then the 4th thing that I would like them to do is that maybe when they are placed, that they should tell customers clearly, or their clients clearly, that they are just 4 months into the business. They are not 3 years into the business. Thank you so much. My name is Jibril. If I'm wrong, you are free to comment. And since I told you that I'm doing a research, I'm not sure, I'm not like saying that I know everything. I'm doing a research, and you could be the one to help me with this research. Comment anything that you feel is very important that Ugandans should know, and we are going to share the views. Thank you so much. See you next.